Namaskar, welcome to my channel. It's Gujarat Tourism Series, or today we are going to talk about top tourist place in Kutch. Number one, Kutch Museum. Kutch Museum is located in Bhuj, Kutch district of Gujarat, India. It is the oldest museum of Gujarat, which was founded in 1877. It is located opposite to Hamirsar Lake. The museum was earlier known as Ferguson Museum. The Kutch Museum is a great place to learn about the rich history and culture of Kutch region. The museum houses a collection of artifacts including textiles, embroidery, and anthropological items that showcase the traditional way of life in Kutch. The museum is also well maintained and the staff is friendly and helpful. Overall, the Kutch Museum is a worthwhile visit for anyone interested in learning more about Kutch. Here are some of the things visitors especially enjoy about the Kutch Museum. Nominal entry fee, informative exhibits showcasing the history and culture of Kutch. Number 2, Dholavira. The site is absolutely wonderful. It provides great insight into life during the Indus Valley civilization. It is a dream come true for any avid history lover. That being said, one will truly enjoy the visit only if one is actually and genuinely interested in history, or else one may find it disappointing. A visit to the museum in the campus is a must. Visitor would enjoy the trip better if they had take a guide who is available at the side. Visitors should stock up food, water and fuel as there are no stores, hotels or platforms anywhere near the site. Overall, the trip is definitely worth if you love history and don't mind the grueling traveling and heat. Absolutely loved it, a most memorable experience. Number 3, Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary. The Kutch Desert Wildlife Sanctuary is located on the part of Great Run of Kutch, which is primarily an extremely hot, dry and dusty zone. It is the largest in Gujarat, encompassing a true saline desert where thousands of flamingos nest and breed, and was declared a sanctuary in 1986. Number 4, Prague Mahal. The Prague Mahal in Bhuj is a mesmerizing blend of Italian Gothic and Indo-Saracenic architecture. Its intricate design, featuring grand domes, intricate carvings, and majestic halls, is a testament to the craftsmanship of artisans of this time. The palace's interior is equally stunning with ornate marble work, exquisite chandeliers, and historical artifacts that transport visitors to a bygone era. However, the palace suffered significant damage in 2001 earthquake, adding a layer of poignancy to its beauty. Despite this, it remains a must-visit destination for history buffs and architecture enthusiasts alike, offering a glimpse into the opulent past of the Kutch region. Number 5, Pingleshwar, a great white sand beach. Very rare people are aware about it. The road to it is single-lane road. Small hatchback and sedan car can reach there easily after crossing the local village area. The beach is so exotic and natural. We can experience the nature itself blooming. Can also experience a great sunrise and sunset. There won't be any commercial things, just visit this place to have fun with friends and family. Also, you should not go further into water because it is steep. So make sure about while you are playing in the water. I was totally speechless about this beach when I visited first time. Gives me peace of mind. Recommended to all who are looking for some quiet beaches. Number 6, Chatardi. About a 20-minute walk southwest of Hamirsar Lake through open areas that no longer seems like you are in a city are the Royal Cenotaphs. It is built of red stones. Chatardi in local language means umbrella. Here you will see a number of royal umbrellas which are constructed by royal kings to protect and provide shade to the dead royals. Many of monuments are ruined due to earthquakes, but those of Lakhpatji, Raidhanji II and Desarji are still quite intact. The site is very quiet out in the middle of a field, not surrounded by buildings, and is very peaceful in the morning or evening. Though in the middle of the day it can be quite hot under bright sun. Number 7, Vijay Vilas Palace. Vijay Vilas Palace, Mandvi, Kutch, or Vijaya Vilas Palace is one of the famous palaces located on the sea beach of Mandvi in Kutch, Gujarat, India. The palace is built with red sandstone. It has all the elements of Rajput architecture, the central high dome on the pillars, Bengal domes on the sides, windows with colored glass, carved stone jalis, domed bastions at the corners, extended porch, and other exquisitely stone carved elements make the palace worth visiting. The ventilation system of this palace is full of ancient engineering design. On the top of the palace you will feel fresh air that is coming from seaside. Overall, palace is really joyful. People come here for their pre-wedding shoot. Number 8, Matano Mad. Matano Mad is a famous temple located in the Kutch district of Gujarat, dedicated to goddess Ashapura, the patron deity of the Jadeja clan and the Kutch region. The temple is an important pilgrimage site for Hindus and attracts devotees from all over the country. Darshan is available anytime from 5 am to 1 am for those 9 days. Special buses are arranged for devotees from the Bhuj State Transport Bus Depot, which ply every 10 minutes from platform number 1. The bus traveling back from Matanomat also take off every 10 minutes. Number 9. Narayan Sarovar. From Bhuj, I have first dropped down at Matanomat, and from there, Narayan Sarovar is about 58 kilometers. I had started my journey. After parking my car to parking area, visited the place. It is observed that the place is very ancient. The temple near Sarovar is with full of stone art, which is very beautiful. The Narayan Sarovar found very beautiful. The entire vicinity found very neat and clean. There is a facility of free meal to the devotees, tourists near the temple. It is highly recommended to visit Narayan Sarovar when at Bhuj, Gujarat. So guys, these were the top tourist place to visit in Kutch district of Gujarat. If you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. If you have any feedback or suggestion, feel free in comment box. Thank you. Jai Hind.